My clients wanted a clean design that uses neutral tones and a dark walnut finish. I then suggested a dark minimalist design theme, which is all about embracing the idea of less is more. With a darker palette, it gives emphasis to their curated statement pieces and makes the presence of natural light more prominent. My idea was to layer the home with textures and contrast while keeping a clean look. Hi, my name is Peilin. I'm from the Interior Lab. This is my take on a dark minimalist home. This is a 113 square meter 5-room HDB flat for a young couple in Tengah. We reconfigured the kitchen to an open layout. We had to plan around a structural wall that we were unable to remove. The current layout provides them with a better flow and access, with an island of the same length for a good visual balance. By the main door, we have built-in carpentry for storage that also conceals the household shelter. My clients love to cook together, so they wanted an open kitchen. This also welcomes more sunlight throughout the home. The backsplash is sintered stone with a concrete design to provide some grittiness and texture, paired with dark wooden cabinets. I decided to integrate an open shelf so that the backsplash would be a consistent height throughout. The island sits in the center, bringing the living spaces together. This is where they take their coffee breaks and relax. The finishing touch is to add steel essence to introduce highlights. For the living room, it is meant to fully embody minimalism. The cables are all hidden, and the console design was made seamless. The curves add a touch of softness to further encourage a cozy ambience. Behind the sofa is the dining area. The homeowners found this dining set that has the right amount of warmth and texture. The special feature here is the pendant light. They found it in 2023 during their trip to Finland and immediately took a liking to it. Because of its unique pattern, it stands out at any time of day. In contrast, I went with a light color palette for the common bathroom. I used a combination of white KitKat and cream marble tiles. It is complemented by their pendant light and round mirror, overall achieving an inviting look, perfectly suited for guest use. The master bathroom then continues on with the dark aesthetic that aims for a more luxurious feel. We have the familiar dark walnut laminate, paired with homogeneous marble stone tiles for the elegant effect. The bathtub required expanding the wet area, so I have to integrate the tissue holder into the vanity cabinet. The master bedroom design focuses on a more streamlined approach, away from any distraction. The full-height cabinet provides optimal wardrobe space with tusk lighting for better visibility. The house speaks a lot of their character, and it's been such a great time working with them. I hope this home brings them plenty of happy memories.